Hello, it's Mr. Hilgendorf of the Park Center Learning Commons. I'm the Library Media Specialist, and I'm here today to show you how to hold library materials so that you can check them out during this time of COVID-19. And so you don't actually have to go into the Learning Commons to check out materials. So to get started, you go to the Learning Commons website. You can get to that through the Park Center webpage. Go down to Learning Commons. And then once there, you'll find the logo that has the books under Library Catalog. Click on that. And because we're going to put a hold on a book or materials for ourselves, we have to log in first. So up in the upper right corner, click on Login. Put in your username and password just like you would for any computer or Schoology. And then you will go to the Catalog tab at the top, and then you put in whatever your search term is. I'm going to look for the book, The Hate U Give, and click on the title since it's the title. Here it shows three different copies that we have of this, or three different versions rather, and in this particular version, it's the hardcover version. There are 2 copies of 2 available. So I'm going to go into the details and look more about the book, decide if I want it, read through the description, and over here on the right it says hold it. So I want to hold it. So I click that hold it button, fill out any of this information that I want. As soon as possible I want it, and I say save that. Now that book will be delivered to me by way of some teacher at school. So that's all you need to do, and then it may be a little while before you get it though. So try to get them in advance so that we can get them to you. Another option is, especially during distance learning, is you can go into the catalog and look for The Hate U Give. And if you find an ebook, then you should be able to access that immediately. So here's one, see the E there? If I go into the details, or I can just open it directly. And in most cases it will take you to the Mac and VIA application, which may require you to log in again. In my case it looks like I'm already logged in. So, and then you can take a look at the book. You can either preview it or check it out. And if you check it out, then you'll have exclusive rights for, I believe it's 2 weeks, to take a look at that book, to read it, and then it will automatically be returned at the end of that time. Or you can turn it in earlier if you want. So that's what an ebook looks like in this case. All right, thank you much. If you have any questions, ask Mr. Hilgendorf. I'm in the Learning Commons most times. Thank you much.